venue was the Arts Council of Pakistan, where hundreds of journalists converged on Wednesday, 21st June, to attend an iftar dinner hosted by Karachi Union of Journalists. Conspicuous among others, there were Governor Sindh Mohammad Zubair, Mayor of the Metropolis Wasim Akhtar, Secretary General PFUJ G.M. Jamali, President Arts Council of Pakistan Mohammad Ahmad Shah, PSP leader Raza Haroon, and the host Hassan Abbas, President KUJ. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Sindh termed the incident of torturing media personnel by the guards of Agriculture University Faisalabad as regrettable. Answering to a query, Governor said that all the ongoing mega projects in the metropolis were initiated following consultations with the mayor. Governor said the federal government acknowledged the mayor's and other local bodies' elected members' mandate. Asking office bearers of Pakistan, Federal Union of Journalists and KUJ to inform him about their problems, the governor promised that he would endeavor to address their grievances.